Hi, my name is Mo. I'm from Etobicoke. We decided to do renovations on our home after 16 years. It's been a long time coming, but we're definitely happy. Our concerns were obviously budget and getting it done professionally, but after considering many different contractors, going with Senso was the greatest decision we made for our homes and for ourselves. This was amazing, really. So eventually going with Mark and his group at Senso was an easy decision because he's very sincere, very straight to the point. He's a great guy, great team, right from the kitchen girls all the way to the contractors and all the guys who did the work. But initially he was upfront. He told us everything that would happen with the house, and it went exactly that way. So that was a huge thing for us. His first impression was incredible, and we felt very comfortable from the start. So if anybody was looking to go with Senso or you're on the fence about it, I would definitely say that this is a decision that you'll never regret. Mark was great from the start. The thing that I loved working about him was that he would keep us up to date daily about our house and our home, things that were going right, things that even went wrong, and they were able to take care of that from day one. There was no hidden fees, there was no hidden operations, nothing. Everything was upfront. When there was issues that came up, which we knew there would be, he was already sending us videos about it before we even knew. So it was really, really great, and I would tell anybody to do it. This is not my style to get involved in a video, but believe me, this is great for them, great for us, and it will be great for you as well. So.